Wait, guys, don't you think that the what's it called? The jump level to be a bit lower for that bit higher. Start off with 5 jump speed. Alright, let's collect my cash, bro. Hand the cash over. LGJ tax. Okay. Hey, yo, if y'all play this game, comment down below, because the real goal is just AFK forever. Trust me. You will get lots of brain rot. Sorry. Reach this house. What was that? A 6-7? Reach this house. Oh nah. I like my cheese drippy, bro. Reach the door. No, can I jump over? Oh no, I cannot. I am dead. Watch me or farm this, bro. I think I don't have rubber. I think I have a rubber. I have no plaques. I think I have a rubber. I have no plaques. Yo, please subscribe. I want my first plaque. Soon I'll have my face cam in the little corner of the screen. So please comment down below for that. We'll be doing the video. I'm gonna poo. Da la 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 la. Tra la la la, tra la la. Cappuccino, assassino, la la la. Princess, what are you doing? How much is the ladder? 49 Robux? That's our. That's crazy. Madongdong. Las vacas sat. Yo, I'm about to leg it back. Once the lava's gone, I'm out. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. No! Jump, 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 jump. Okay, watch me over farm, bro. No! Alright, I need to get my bonus. No, come on. Now! Wait, is that a lava mutation? Is that lava? Gold. I need my emerald, bro. I can't let them die. I can't let them die. A celestial has spawned. I don't care, bro. I care about my brain rots. Come on. Lava, stop. Let's go. Interact. 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 Next time I'm just gonna leg it. Oh no! Like and subscribe to make me better. W. W, alright. You should say LGJ stop aura farming. Actually, y'all should say LGJ keep aura farming. Remember what my name? Hey yo, whoever was here first, if you were ever here first, whoever was here first, comment down below. Because massive favour from them. They are the best people in my life, except my mum, and my brother, and my doggy, and my dad. Watch me or find this. Backer. Anyway, y'all, that is it. Oh, wait. I'm really sorry, but here, your Caylus and Steak, I'm so sorry for showing my viewers this. Just someone has to find it sometime, and I'm really not ill. So, I'm really not well, so, that's all I can do for my fans right now. Just look, bro. Wait, watch this. Okay, that is it for me today's video. It's your boy LGJ. We are going to be heading out, so I'll see you in the next one, and peace.